So you've decided you want to join in on Breakout Prop and become a funded crypto trader. This video is a basic walkthrough from start to getting to the trade screen and just how to use your basic functions to open a trade, close a trade, and become a funded trader. So, without further ado, my name's CryptoFace, and I welcome you to Breakout Prop start to finish basic instructions. So first things first, you clicked my link in the comments, or you've got my affiliate link, or you came from somewhere else. But if you want our community's benefits and prizes and recognition, you used CryptoFace's link or somebody else's. You're going to go to log in or create an account, and it's very simple. You're going to go ahead and fill out your information. I have a little graphic where I took all the pages and I just edited out my personal information. So when you log into your account, you're going to see a button at the top. It'll be under profile or dashboard, and you'll look at the top, you'll see a button for new evaluation. You're going to fill out your information, pretty simple, and then you're going to get to account balance. You're going to click it, and that's where you're going to be able to choose whether you want from a $5,000 funded account up to a $100,000 funded account. A $100,000 account costs you $800. Once you do that, you're going to choose between a one-step or two-step evaluation. I prefer the one-step. That's just if you can make 10% before losing 5%. The two-step evaluation gives you a little more leeway in percentages, but you have to make 5% and then 10%, but you have a couple $1,000 more leeway. Both are good. So once you do that and you create your order, there's no discount codes for first-time users, but if you fail, we send you a discount code in your email. Most funded traders, it takes them 2 times, most. So once you create the order, you're going to go into your profile and scroll down. You'll see a page that looks like this, and at the bottom of this page, you should see order history, and you'll see an unpaid order. You click complete payment, complete the payment, and it'll go into a paid status. Now, once you do that, you are then going to go to your dashboard, and it should look something like this. This is a one-step plan for $100,000. Here you have some basic information. Your max daily loss is 4,000, not to be breached, and your max loss is 6,000 in this case. Now you're ready to trade. You're ready to start the trading and get to the trade terminal. What you need to do is you need to click this button right here. Click this little page button. So you're going to click that, and then this window is going to pop up. The next step is going to click copy on the platform app.breakoutprop.com. Let's go ahead and copy the URL and post it into your web browser. After that, you're going to go to your email. You should have received an email from Breakout with this information. You're going to need to enter in your username. This is your username. And then your password. It'll be like V4M dash whatever. Username should be like BTG underscore yada yada. Let's go ahead and fill out username and password. Once you do that, you should then be taken to a screen that looks like this. Your trading terminal. and you are ready to go. Up here, if you have multiple accounts, it'll say demo. That means you're on simulated. When you get funded or you pass, you'll get a new account. So, for example, I have a 2-step account, and I can click my trading dashboard right here for some information, fun information. So here, I went 10-0, baby. 10 trades positive in a row. Average trade was $425 P&L. Average hold time was 2 hours. And I made $4,246. And I passed my first step in the 2-step. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay. Now you're going to go back and click my trading account. Boop. And it should be set on default watch list. In here, you have your selection of all the coins you can trade. Bitcoin and Ethereum are locked in at 5x leverage. And I believe the altcoins are 3x leverage. So let's just go ahead. We have if you can click Ethereum, it pulls up Ethereum. You can click Bitcoin, pulls up Bitcoin, and you are ready to rock and roll. Couple things here. So let's say I want to enter, let's say I'm thinking Bitcoin's price is going to drop down from 64,600 down to 64,400. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the sell button. Actually, I cannot trade on this account because it's already passed. So let's go on the account here that I can. Since I passed the first step on that account, it's opened up my second step account. So here we go. Okay, so I'm on Bitcoin, BTC USD. Now I'm ready to short. Here I can do market, limit, a couple other options. So in this case, I'm just going to do a market order. Click the protection box. This will bring up my stop loss and take profits. It's in lots. So this is one lot, which means that's one Bitcoin. And the margin impact. So the total amount of money coming out of my 100,000 is going to be $12,930. I can put in 0.1, 0.51. Let's just do 0.5. So it's going to be 6,400, 64.63 out of my margin. And let's set a little stop loss here. And look, if I have it entered wrong, it warns me. It says, yup, your stop loss must be higher than the current price. Let's set the stop at 64,824. 64,824. And we'll set a take profit at 64,3. Okay, 64,448. How does that sound? 64,448. Okay. And look, it gives my projected loss on the stop, my projected profit on the profit, and we are ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and send that order. Boop. Okay, but boop. There it is. Here is my order. Now, each trade is in what is called hedge only mode, which means I just entered this sell, this short. If I want to close this trade and I just click buy, it's going to be a whole different trade. So in order to close this sell, I do not click the buy and type in the exact same thing. This will create a new buy order. Which, let's go ahead and do that. Let's just do that just so you can see. And I do want to get funded on this account myself, so I'm not going to do anything too crazy. Just market buy, boop, boop. There's a new order. Okay? So, if I want to close one of these trades here, the short we entered, it shows their stop right here, shows the take profit. I'm going to highlight it, and there's a little X button right here. I'm going to click that X button. It's going to bring up this window. And if I just want to just get out of it, here I can put, it's a 0.5 lot. So if I want to just close half of it, or here I can type that in. I don't have to close the whole thing. Let's just say I just want to get out of half of that trade. Let's go ahead and do it. If I want to cancel, I can click discard. There you go. And boom. Let's just do half, 0.25, and close. Bada bing, bada boom. And there it is. Okay. And if I just want to close the whole thing, boom, click that. Let's get out of it. Bada bing, bada boom. Now it shows my order filled. I can go to the trading dashboard and see my history. There's a lot of custom options and custom things you can do. You can add a bunch more windows and stuff. To be honest, I just like keeping things really simple. So this is not an in-depth video on all the different tools. This is just basic how to enter, how to close, and go get them, guys. Listen, take your time. If you think you can nail the 10% or whatever step you're on in one trade, sure, go get it. But, you know, I like this hedge only mode, and I like this user interface. It's nice and bland and simple and safe, and that's what we want. You know, you get to see all kinds of cool stats when you click on your trading dashboard. When you close a trade, sometimes it takes a couple minutes. Typically, you have to refresh for this information to refresh. So here, 10 out of 10, baby. 425 average. And I'm on my journey. So if you have any questions, definitely join the Discord. You can go to the website, click contact. Here's the support at breakoutprop.com. Email support, live chat. You can scroll down, click join the Discord. If you're not in my community for accolades, if you need any help with anything, go to the support, join the Discord, okay? Other than that, guys, this is CryptoFace. Let's change some lives. And if you haven't signed up yet, use my link. We're going to be giving away Rolexes. We're going to be giving away recognitions on the regular. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining Breakout Prop. Go get them.